Hey everybody, it's Michelle with the Keys Ingredients. Today, you and I together will be making my husband's family favorite orange feta salad. I fell in love with this salad and the different flavors that all come together with this burst. It is amazing what happens when you switch to whole foods. The taste buds just come alive. So let's get started. Here's what you'll be needing. Oranges, feta cheese, some black olives. We are using my Sicilian spiced olives, some fresh chives, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, a pinch of Himalayan salt, and more fresh herbs if you'd like to accessorize. Very quick, very easy. I'm just going to take my navel oranges and arrange them on the plate. This is definitely not a lettuce salad, but a salad that is definitely one that will impress while entertaining. I'm going to just take some feta cheese and top my oranges. So we've got a nice savory and sweet right there. Top it with chives, and it's just getting more colorful with every layer. Then the olives. Absolutely beautiful. See how bright and colorful that is? We're going to go ahead now and just drizzle some olive oil over top. Tiny pinch of pink Himalayan salt. And last but not least, a little drizzle of balsamic vinegar over the top. And just like that, your salad's ready.